Maps are wonderful cultural artifacts, but how can we display them so they receive the attention that history tells us they deserve? Now, the entire Getty Images collection of historic and contemporary maps, as well as maps from your museum's collection, can be converted to three-dimensional tactile maps that encourage museum visitors, including blind, disabled, and sighted guests, to engage and learn from them. Our process converts any two-dimensional map to a three-dimensional tactile replica. Our maps have length, width, depth, and texture. Throughout the map, sensors are embedded that, when touched, deliver audio descriptions like the following.
This is Jamestown. Jamestown was founded in 1848 as a gold rush settlement in Tuolumne County by San Francisco lawyer Colonel George F. James.
To learn how easy it is to create tactile maps like those shown in this video that were originally produced for the Sacramento History Museum, please contact us.